Hi, my name is Andy and I work with Kondex Corporation here in Lamira, Wisconsin. Today I'd like to introduce a little bit of information for you about our KX7 product line. This is a case flagship KX7 kit set up for small grains. You'll notice that there's some things that look a little bit different than your OEM configurations. First of all, our frames are half the width of the OEM frame. And second of all, we have insertable module boxes that fit inside each of the frames. Our configurations use two different box designs. Our Max Thresh, which is used for improved threshing and long wearing threshing elements, and the Max Round, which is used for improved separation and gentle threshing in large grain crops. The Max Thresh box has laser cladding on the leading edge that creates a very long wearing edge to keep the life of the product as long as possible. We have some custom harvester customers that have as many as 20,000 acres on a set of boxes. So these boxes will last darn near a lifetime of your combine. The concept of how our KX7 product works is we promote as improved threshing early as the crop enters the rotor. By trying to be more aggressive with our threshing, it allows us to run with increased clearances on the rotor and slower rotor speeds, which help improve grain quality and also improve your capacity in the field, allowing you for faster ground speeds or, in some cases, reduce fuel consumption. But you will feel a difference in your engine load when you're able to run with larger clearances. One of the real advantages for our KX7 product is the ability to both get a cleaner sample in your grain tank and improve your losses out the back of the machine. And how we're able to do that is again with the very aggressive early threshing, allowing for the grain on grain threshing to take place as early as possible in the rotor. This allows for more distance in the rotor for separation and reduces your rotor losses. In addition, with the ability to run with a greater clearance, we're not smashing the grain, we're not grinding the grain out of the crop, so your grain damage and small pieces of straw are greatly reduced, which helps your cleaning system do a better job cleaning your sample, and you'll see that in the grain tank. Within each of our frames, the individual boxes are replaceable. There's 4 bolts that are accessible from the underside, allowing you to change these inserts while the frames are mounted inside the combine. Configuration-wise, you have the ability to interchange round bar for Max Thresh to allow greater customization for specialty applications that you might have on your farm. The setup we have here is for small grains like wheat, barley, and oats. So we have our Max Thresh boxes throughout the majority of the concave area with just one row of our Max Round. As we transition to large grain crops in the fall, such as corn and soybeans, we would use our modular design and introduce more round bar into this configuration. In the case of a case flagship setup like this, the majority of the setup would be Max Round in the back half and in the left front corner, leaving just Max Thresh in the right front corner. Replacement parts are available for the KX7 products. In addition to the full assemblies with boxes installed, individual frames and individual boxes are available. Talk to your dealer for availability.